Okay, I've got a 1995 Volvo 960 that is not blinking. I mean, it blinks, but when it's running, with the lights on, this is supposed to be orange right here. Like the running light is supposed to be orange. The blinking works, but the running light doesn't work. And it's on the other side is perfectly fine, but on this side, the right-hand side, it does not work. So when you turn the lights on, this does not turn orange. The bulb for this is 1157 NA, according to the book. Can't find anybody that has NAs around here. I held up another NA bulb to look at it, and the color seems to be about the same as an A, so I'm just going with A. NA is supposed to be natural amber, and A is just amber. I really can't see any difference between the two, so I'm going to guess that, you know, there's probably a slight difference. Maybe when they're lit up, they're different, but you know, I'm not sure that any of the police around here are going to notice it. So I'm going to go with the NA, or the A instead of the NA. Okay, this is the interior of the 960, and like most Volvos of this period, the release is on the left driver's side kick panel here down by your feet. Just pull that back and you'll hear it go kerchunk, and that releases it part way. To finish the release of the hood, you insert your hand right above the Volvo symbol here. You'll feel a little metal tab squeeze upwards and it will come up. If you've got one in good shape, the pneumatic tubes will hold it up and you won't have any problem with that. If you don't, be careful, this thing will fall on your head. This one used to do that, but about a year ago someone replaced the tubes there to hold it up, so that's not a problem anymore. Okay, so what do we got here? We have the light right there. It's right above the battery. It is different than on the 850. The 850 has something in front of it that blocks it. On this one, it doesn't appear so. It looks like, I'm not sure exactly what we're going to have to do to it, but I'm going to try to get it out and I'll show you what I do. Okay, on page 6 of the manual, it says to remove, turn the lamp holder 1/4 turn counterclockwise and then remove the bulb. Alright, so this is a little odd because it doesn't look like it's going to turn, but at this point I don't know. So there it is. I pulled it out. There was a harness behind it that was kind of blocking my way, but that may or may not be in your situation. Okay, looks like it was one of those bayonet style that you kind of push in a little bit, and once you kind of push it in a little bit, you should be able to figure out, okay, kind of counterclockwise, and it pops right out. So there it is, it came out. And so, okay, I'm just going to repeat the process to put the new bulb in. And okay, line the bulb up with the slots. See how it has a little pin there? That pin has to go in the slot. Push it in and turn it clockwise. It should kind of go into place. You have to push down into it. There it goes. And then once it holds, it's in there. You can't pull it out. And then reverse the process. I'm going to stick it in the hole and move from there. And sure enough, now you can see a nice orange light in there. And let's compare it to the original. Boy, it's pretty close. I don't think anybody's going to notice the difference between the A and the NA. The important thing here is that the 1157 is the clear light bulb. The A is amber and the NA is a natural amber. And I don't know that you can tell the difference between the NA or the A. But that's pretty much it. It's actually a little bit easier than the 850. So I hope that helps some people out. It's pretty simple once you've got the right back end there. It may be a little snug if you haven't changed them in a while. It could have a tendency to kind of get a little snug on there, but be gently firm, I guess is the way I would say, and it'll come out. Thanks for watching. Okay, in the dark you can see that indeed they are slightly different colors. The NA one is definitely more orange, like it's darker, less bright. This one has more white to it. So there is an unevenness in there, but I think it's going to be okay. I don't think anybody's going to complain. I'll try to find an NA bulb that's at a cheap price, maybe, and replace it when I get a chance.